Absolutely a dream come true. I am so grateful to the entire IFA team, the jury, whoever voted for me, the audience, because ये एक बहुत बड़ा सपना था मेरा जब भी मैंने स्टार्ट किया अपना ये जो जर्नी है, और तभी मैं सोचती थी कि एक दिन अवार्ड मिलेगा। जब अवार्ड मिला तो मैं इतनी शॉक थी कि आई थिंक मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नर्वस थी, और मैंने कैसे भी करके अपने आप को काम और कंपोज बनाया और एक स्पीच दिया। अंदर ही अंदर मतलब मेरा मन तो कर रहा था कि मैं जोर से चिल्लाऊं और नाचूं। सो आई एम जस्ट रियली हैप्पी एंड ग्रेटफुल। Absolutely a dream come true. I am so grateful to the entire IFA team, the jury, whoever voted for me, the audience, because ये एक बहुत बड़ा सपना था मेरा जब भी मैंने स्टार्ट किया अपना ये जो जर्नी है, और तभी मैं सोचती थी कि एक दिन अवार्ड मिलेगा। और जब अवार्ड मिला तो मैं इतनी शॉक थी कि आई थिंक मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नर्वस थी, और मैंने कैसे भी करके अपने आप को काम और कंपोज बनाया और एक स्पीच दिया। पर अंदर ही अंदर मतलब मेरा मन तो कर रहा था कि मैं जोर से चिल्लाऊं और नाचूं। सो आई एम जस्ट रियली हैप्पी एंड ग्रेटफुल। व्हाट वाज माय बिगेस्ट चैलेंज? आई डोंट नो अबाउट चैलेंज, पर आई वुड से there were a lot of things that kind of I did not want to let people down with when I read the entire arc of Tamanna's character. I was very excited as an actor because there is a lot that she goes through. She leaves this world of being famous and popular and goes back to music school, and after that she makes mistakes also. She's not some perfect human being. So just all of those beats, they were very real. So I was hoping that I can, play all those beats and do justice to the writing, because people have loved and showered so much love, on the show and my character, that I just wanted to do well. I don't know what, in season 1, I didn't think Tamanna and I were very similar. In season 2, I stopped thinking like that. I was like, this is a character that I have to play. And it was very beautiful because Anand sir, my director, gave me this advice, which is something he had heard from the actor Javier Bardem, where he said that an actor has to be their character's best defense lawyer. So uske liye you have to really fall in love with, the character that you're playing. To kind of understand why is this character responding this particular way, for it to look like it's not just something that's written but it's coming from within. So I stopped thinking whether we're similar or not. I just started learning from Tamanna. So I'd like to say, forget similarities, I've learned a lot from Tamanna's character. Like I said earlier, that I was maybe wanting to do well. It was more because I just thought the writing was so beautiful and I wanted to do justice to it, and I was very excited for people to watch it. But other than that, I don't think I'm in a place right now to be stressing about these things. I'm just happy that I get to do the work that I'm doing, and I'm just very grateful to the audience that they waited, for our show. We took a little bit of time, but not for a second did any of the audience forget. So I don't think I was stressing about anything. I was just hoping we make a good show overall. I think Panish Pandits has really given me a lot in my career. I really owe everyone, who's connected with that show so much, because it gave me an audience. It gave me a feeling of being seen and heard, which is so important for an artist. So I'm eternally grateful to Panish Pandits and of course Anand and Amrit, because maybe I can't put it into words, but Panish Pandits has really given me everything that I know, and is probably the reason I'm sitting here speaking to you. Luckily in season 1 we had such a great rapport while we were shooting, and I think that's what you can see and translated on screen as chemistry, because the two of us were just each other's support system. We were both equally excited, equally, I wouldn't say nervous, but equally like, wanting to do well. So we would really push each other to do well and be there for each other. We really understood each other in terms of, if somebody was having a bad day, or, we would advise each other. So I think that friendship, that bond that we formed in season 1 only got stronger in season 2. So when we met on the sets of season 2, we were firstly very emotional. and just very excited to, you know, be able to play these two characters of Radhe and Tamanna again, and their journeys are so different and beautiful in season 2. तो बहुत मजा आया, and I think that's what, you know, you see when you watch the show. The hint is maybe, but I you know, unfortunately cannot say anything right now. But trust me, when I can, I will be screaming on the top of my voice.